Here are 6 weird things that you can do to raise your vibration. I use all 6 and I absolutely love it. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high, like a big beautiful eagle, and we're flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. So people often ask me, Robert, what are some things I can do to raise my vibration? Of course, connecting to source energy every day, meditating, moving your body, eating a clean diet are all things you can do on a regular basis to raise your vibration. And when your vibration is high, then everything below you is available for you to manifest. So here's one of the weird things that I do. Now, I listen to our new program called Easy Money While You Sleep.com. I absolutely love it. I've been using it for years, variations of it, and this new version is absolutely astonishing. Anyway, I use this to listen. I don't put in earplugs because when you roll over, it hurts on your ear and all of that. This has, you can't see it, but this has the earpiece right here. And it's very, very soft and plush. And so I put this on, it Velcros on. I put this on every night when I fall asleep. And it's Bluetooth. So I can have my phone in the other room and I can have it playing Easy Money While You Sleep. And I can be listening to it through this. And I can roll over, it doesn't bother me. And more importantly, it blocks out all the light. I am sleeping in total darkness. And that's absolutely essential for getting a really, really good night's sleep, which helps raise your vibration and make you feel better. Okay, so this is, I don't know what they call it. It's an eye cover. They're available on Amazon. I'll have a link down below. They're about $20, $25. They're not expensive on Amazon. And I've been using it for years. I absolutely love it. And you can change the volume and all of that right here. It's really, really convenient. So high flyers, there's an interesting machine that is out right now, and it's called Respirate. And Respirate will help you if you have high blood pressure. It will help you if you suffer from anxiety, but it will also help you hit deeper states of consciousness through conscious breath work. So you wear a little strap around your midsection here, around your lungs, and you have a pair of headphones on, and Respirate plays this beautiful music, but they're called guiding tones. And these guiding tones guide you when to breathe in, how long to hold it, and when to breathe out. Actually, there's really no holding it. They don't like you holding it. So you're breathing in, you're breathing out, and it guides you. What it does is it calibrates your breathing style before it begins. So for about 2 minutes before every session, it calibrates your breathing style and then gives you the maximum breathing style to help you relax and connect. So high flyers, while I'm doing this breath work with Respirate, I'm also focusing on I am affirmations because it's bringing me down into a nice deep state of consciousness. I hit theta, sometimes even a little deeper. I mean, it's incredible. And it's only 15 minutes. So you can easily do it every single day. I do this every day. Sometimes I do it in the morning. Sometimes I do it in the afternoon. But I don't skip a day without using Respirate. I absolutely love it. And again, it's available on Amazon. It's a little bit more expensive. It's about $300 or so. But hey, check it out. If it's good for you, give it a try. You can, with Amazon, you can try it for a short time. If you don't like it, send it back. Well, high flyers, this is something I use every single day. It's a grounding pad. It's an earthing pad. And I fit it right under my desk. I take my shoes off. I take my socks off. And I put my bare feet on this every day. Now, when we were out at the park the other day, the first thing I did is took my shoes off, took my socks off, and my little 3-year-old was laughing. He had never seen anything like that. But I started walking around barefooted, and next thing you know, Rachel had taken her shoes and socks off, and then Julian took his shoes and socks off, and we all felt rejuvenated. We felt absolutely invigorated because we were pulling in these electrons from the earth. I also like to sit up against a tree, but I can't always do that when I'm in my office. So I use a grounding pad. Now this is called the Earth and Moon. It's the Earth and Moon version. There are grounding pads that fit your bed. There are grounding pads that will go over your pillow. There are smaller ones. There are bigger ones. This was the right size for me. And you just plug this in to the ground. You don't plug it in to anything else, just the ground in your electric outlet. And you're getting the grounding energy from the earth. You're getting those electrons that your body so desperately needs, but you just feel so good. I know that at the end of the day, I don't feel so wiped out. I don't feel so tired because I have all this earth energy pouring through my body. It's a wonderful way to raise your vibration. It may seem a little weird, but do it. You'll love it. And again, this is from Amazon. I think you ought to try it. You know, you can always send it back if you don't like it. We have it in our Amazon store, so there you go. And I think I paid about, hard to remember, I think I paid about $40 or $50 for this. Well, high flyers, we have plants and crystals in our office, and we have a lot of them throughout our house. But more importantly, I wear something specific every day. I don't just put this on. I don't just wear this. I put my intention into it. Now, this happens to be white buffalo. And it's white buffalo, Rachel? Turquoise. White buffalo turquoise, which is said to open up all 7 chakras. So I wear this and I focus, when I put this on, I focus on opening all 7 chakras. Now, I have other stones and crystals that I use and wear, and when I put it on, based on its nature, I focus on a specific intention. Also, it reminds me when I see myself in the mirror, or if I adjust it throughout the day, it's reminding me on a subconscious level to vibrate high, to soar high, like a big, beautiful eagle. So high flyers, one of the things we do every single morning is some form of exercise. I either lift weights, or we go for a bike ride when it's cooler, or we go for a walk. We went for a walk today. Or we do some other form of exercise, but I always rebound. And if you haven't rebounded, it's absolutely crazy fun. We have a rebounder right in our bedroom, and I jump on it. I absolutely love it. It gets my energy flowing. It cleans out my lymph glands, and it just makes me feel energized and feel good. I feel like a kid when I'm rebounding. I cannot emphasize the importance of rebounding, and it's good cardio work as well. Well, for some of you, the next one may be a little tough to get used to, but I take a shower every morning. I use only natural homemade soap. And I wash myself down, scrub-a-dub-dub. I'm doing my affirmations. A lot of you know that I do my affirmations in the shower, but then I turn the shower cold. And I spend at least a couple of minutes in that cold shower, allowing it to hit my head, hit my chest. And what it does is it activates and empowers your mitochondria. It gives you more energy. Your mitochondria is kind of the engine within your cell that gives you energy and higher vibration. And when you activate your mitochondria through cold water or through cold, it feels absolutely wonderful when you get out, not necessarily when you're in there, but you're just going to have more energy, more vitality. You're going to expand your aura throughout the day. Now, our chiropractor has these tanks that you spend, I think it's about a minute in, and I think that it's called a cryo freeze. And this is like below zero, and you spend a minute in it, but it is absolutely healing and exhilarating. You might talk with your chiropractor or your health provider about something like that as well. So high flyers, these were 6 weird things that I do every single day that you can do to raise your vibration. Why don't you share down below some of the weird stuff that you do to raise your vibration? Here's some other videos to help you on your journey.